Formatread is a safety product that is applied to stairs, ramps, ladders, vehicles, and anywhere increased traction and visibility are needed. Formatread is 100% epoxy, so adheres to any common building surface. Damaged or structurally deficient locations should be repaired prior to installing Formatread. For best results, the surface should be clean, dry, and sound. Remove surface contaminants with a wire brush or power wash. Sweep off or vacuum any remaining dust and dirt. For metal surfaces, use mineral spirits to remove any grease or oils. To install, apply Easy Form to the front edge of the step and remove connecting tabs. Masking tape can be applied to protect the surrounding surface. Follow the cartridge prep and dispensing instructions to mix and apply Formatread. Trips and falls often occur at the top or bottom of a step or ramp. For added traction and visibility, 2 parallel treads of safety yellow can be installed. Immediately after application, spread the Formatread to the level of the Easy Form. For additional traction in high traffic and exterior areas, apply Tread Grit Heavy Duty immediately after spreading. Remove the Easy Form within 1/2 hour after spreading. Full cure is less than 12 hours depending on temperature. Formatread is the easy and economical way to improve safety, traction, and visibility on any existing surface.